Choose any ATM of your convenience and stand a chance to win gold sovereigns.
Lanka Pay.
On the morning of the 19th of December 2024, a multi-day trawler carrying over 100 Rohingya asylum seekers drifted towards the coast of Mullawaikal in Mullaitivu. The boat was escorted by the Sri Lankan Navy to the Trincomalee Harbour's Ashraf Jetty later that evening. The asylum seekers were later disembarked in Trincomalee on the 20th of December. The asylum seekers were initially cared for by public officials and NGOs and hosted at the Jamalia School in Trincomalee. They were subsequently brought before the Trincomalee magistrate, who ordered the remand of the multi-day trawler's 12 crew members, while the remaining 103 asylum seekers were ordered to be transferred to the Mirihana detention centre. However, it was later decided that the asylum seekers would be detained at the Air Force base in Mullaitivu. Subsequently, on the 26th of December 2024, a team of officials of the Human Rights Commission of Sri Lanka, including one of its directors, attempted to monitor the detention conditions at the Sri Lanka Air Force base in Mullaitivu but were denied access to the asylum seekers. According to the HRCSL, the Air Force officials stated that access could not be granted without the permission of the Controller General of Immigration and Immigration. An assistant controller of the Immigration and Immigration Department later informed HRCSL officials over the phone that expedited access could be granted if a written request was submitted. However, the assistant controller verbally informed the HRCSL that permission must be obtained from the Minister of Public Security and Parliamentary Affairs. Later, on the 27th of December 2024, the HRCSL wrote to the President regarding the incident on the 26th of December. The letter emphasized that under Section 11D of the HRCSL Act No. 21 of 1996, the Commission's powers and functions extend to any person detained within Sri Lanka, not only to Sri Lankan citizens. The Commission asserts that it has the statutory authority to access the Air Force base and monitor the detention conditions of the asylum seekers, including the children among them. According to the HRCSL, more than 40 of the detainees are reportedly children, many of whom are infants. The HRCSL has requested the President to issue necessary directives to ensure access to the asylum seekers. Furthermore, it reaffirmed its statutory obligation to inspect the conditions under which these individuals are being held. However, the Controller General of the Immigration and Immigration Department, as well as other responsible officials who obstructed the HRCSL's efforts to monitor the detention conditions, have been summoned to appear before the Commission on the 31st of December 2024 to provide an explanation for their actions.